It's another day, another news story. An active shooter at the workplace.
Workplace violence.
Workplace shooting.
A school under threat.
School shooting in the shooting.
That colleague that may not be well adjusted is angry and wants to take it out on their associates. That student that needs help, that's misplaced, shows up to school with a gun. What do? We live in a world of fear. Our kids should not go to school in fear. As parents, we do not want to be sending our kids to school in fear, but that's the reality. We live in fear, but we bring you a solution for the weakest link, the glass. Advanced Coatings Engineering, we designed, manufacture a micro-thin polymer that once applied to the glass will resist bullets. We have out-of-state visitors coming to do just that, to verify our product, because their clients, their schools require this. So let's turn over to them, let's invite them in and have them review our material, have them stand behind our product. If you can't stand behind your product, then how can you sell it? We want to bring America a solution. Remove that fear.
What I really am, this is how you remind me of what I really am. It's not like you to say sorry. I was waiting on a different story. This time I'm mistaken for handing you a heart worth breaking. I've been wrong, I've been down into the bottom of every bottle. These 5 words in my head scream, are we having fun yet?
Smash and grab, break and enters. It's part of our lexicon. We hear it every day in the news. We read about it. Social media covers it. In fact, some of us are tired of it. We live in fear. We're in fear as business people, shop owners that work their whole lives at their small business can have their business taken away from them because someone did a smash and grab. They broke and entered. An office that employs a few clerks, be it an insurance office, retail office, could lose their business because of a smash and grab. Events like this happen in America all the time. Let's consider the factory owner. We're encouraged to buy American, we're encouraged to support our own, but then a Molotov cocktail comes through the window, that factory burns down, people are unemployed. We live in a life of fear that we're always looking over our shoulder. Here at USACE, we're here to help remove that fear, to give you that peace of mind, because glass is the weakest link. Today we have out-of-state visitors to actually test a window. They're going to hit a window as hard as they can and try and defeat a micro-thin laminate that applies to your glass, peel and stick, that will prevent them from breaking in.